Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online class for December 2022. This class is going to be a coloring technique class. We will be creating 6 fun handmade cards and learning how to use stamp and blend markers along with watercolor pencils to create amazing images. I will be showing this technique with 3 different stamp sets. You can choose which set or sets you want to use. These bundles are the All Bundled Up, Yeti to Party, and Kindest Gnomes bundle. This is the only stamp set with a coordinating die, and so we're going to talk more about that later in the video. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class with lots of opportunity to learn this coloring technique. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's check them out now. Here are the cards we're going to be creating in this class. The coloring technique creates beautiful images, and I am so excited to share how to create them with you during the class. After the class, you will be able to take the technique we learn and apply them to any image and create more beautiful cards. As you can see, all of the images will be fussy cut out. I will be offering an SVG file to all participants that will help them cut out the images in both the Yeti to Party and the All Bundled Up stamp sets, since these do not have die cuts. The SVG file can be used with any electronic cutting machine like a Scan and Cut, Silhouette, or Cricut. For those of you who do not have an electronic cutting machine, you can purchase pre-cut die cuts from me for $5 along with your class kit. Please use the drop-down menu on my blog to add it to your cart. There will be enough die cuts to make one set of cards as you see here. If you want to have more die cuts, please increase the quantity in your cart. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a Cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class. This class will run from Monday, December 5th through Saturday the 10th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com. The direct link is in the description below. Registration for this class closes on Saturday, November 19th, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes, a full pack of fine sparkle adhesive back gems, a new roll of balmy blue and white double-stitched ribbon, 6 sheets cut to 6 by 6 inches of snowflake specialty vellum. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the gems and ribbon. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week of December 5th. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you're able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with a written PDF with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You will need one of these 3 stamp sets or a stamp set of your choice that has some really good coloring images. So there's Yeti to Party, All Bundled Up, or the Kindest Gnomes bundle. And remember to purchase this as a bundle so that you can save some money on that. You will also need these colors of Stampin' Blend markers. There are Poppy Parade, Calypso Coral, Pale Papaya, Bermuda Bay, Balmy Blue, Crumb Cake, and the Color Lifter. You will also need 2 different ink pads, the Memento Black ink and Bermuda Bay, as well as some Whisper White craft ink. Some of the tools you'll need would be the Banner's Pick-a-Punch and some layering circle dies. And then the watercolor pencils, I'm using pencils from both the assortment pack 1 and 2. And so it gives us a lot of different colors we can use. If by chance you only have one or the other of the packs, you probably will be okay. You will just have to substitute colors as, and that's totally up to you. That is your choice. Here are the tools you will need. You will want to have your Take a Pick tool with the stylus end, paper trimmer, Stamparatus, Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, either the regular or mini size will be fine, a pair of scissors for ribbon and your paper snips, coordinating clear blocks, stamp cleaner, a bone folder, and then a variety of adhesives that you enjoy using. I've got mini dimensionals, regular dimensionals, Stampin' Seal, tear and tape, liquid adhesive, and glue dots. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.